Like, madali lang naman po check this time around kasi differentiate lang. So again, how can you tell if it's a cervical vertebrae if it has these holes, which are your transverse foramina, where your spinal arteries and veins exit from. Next, you have your thoracic vertebrae, which have your costal facets, which articulate with your ribs, and they look like hearts. And meron kang lumbar vertebrae, which are big because it has to support all the weight. Important thing else, the intervertebral foramen, which is where your peripheral nerves exit from your spinal cord. Okay, let's begin here. So sa cervical vertebrae, you have 7 bones, but paired with 8 pairs of nerves. With C1 exiting above the atlas, with subsequent nerves exiting below the vertebrae. Important to note here is the cervical enlargement produced by C5 to T1, which makes your brachial plexus. Okay, below that we have the thoracic vertebrae. Important nerve to note here is T1 to L2, which supply your sympathetic nervous system, which supply sympathetic stimulation to your lungs, your heart, your GI tract, and basically the entirety of your body. So important sila for your fight or flight response. Before moving to the lumbar vertebrae, we must remember that the spinal cord is not as long as your spinal column. In adults, the spinal cord usually ends at the level of L1 and L2, and this is known as the conus medullaris. And below that is your after it ends, it becomes your that becomes called your cauda equina.
Or horse's tail.
So from here, from L1 and L2 and your cauda equinis, you get your lumbar plexus. So yun lang basically important dun. And if you want to know an important function of S2 to S4, just remember it keeps your penis off the floor.
So, next naman na gagawin natin is